Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can change email ID on your Instagram account. So for that you need to open your Instagram and you will be shown this home screen. Now you need to tap your logo from the down right corner. After that you need to tap these three lines. You will redirect it to this screen. Now from here you need to choose account center. So from here you will see a bunch of options which can change your information about your account, but we need to visit this option called personal details. Tap here. Now you will see this contact information. Tap here. So this is the place where you will find your email ID, your contact number. So if you want to change a specific email ID, tap the email ID which you want to change. Now if you want to change the email ID, just delete this email ID from here, then go back. Now from here you see this option called add new contact. Tap here, and now you need to tap the email address from here. The new you need to type the email ID here, which you want to change, and choose the account, then press next. Your account email ID will change to the new one.